Hello, today I would like to show you a trade I have made in natural gas. I went short selling it. Reasons why, it's because first we can see a shooting star here, or a bearish pin bar with a long wick on the upper side here. Secondly, we have a pullback level up here to this level that is very near 50% pullback of this structure of this bearish pin bar. You see? And secondly, we can see this mother bar here. Now I'm talking about inside bar strategy. So we have a mother bar here. We have an inside bar here, this little red doji. And now we are here, a breakout from this doji, and we are at the same level now at the bottom of this mother bar here. And I think this will close here or here today. So that's a very clear bearish signal. If I'm moving on to 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have a triangle formation here. This is the base, and this is the diagonal line here. So we have a lower highs all the way. It's pushing down. It's a squeezer on the downside. So so far I got 500. Sorry. So far I got about 575 euro in profit. That's almost 600 US dollars. And I will take profit at this rectangular area here. At my opinion, this is the first minor demand zone. And we can also reach levels here at this horizontal line, which is the bottom of the daily bar. I can show you once again the daily chart. Here you can see this is also actually a daily mother bar. So we have an inside bar structure here as well at daily time frame. Now we have 1, 2, 3 inside bars going down, and first profit taking would be here, like 8,283 level. And I think it will be about 1,400 US dollar in profit. So it's a pretty good trade. So this was natural gas going short, and I hope you like this video, and I will soon be back with more trading price action strategies. Thank you. Take care. Bye for now.